Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's just do a quick check-in with crude oil. So since the last video, we had a particular level, at least short-term, that I proposed may have been, the bottom there, 67.47. That proved not to be the case, and we were unable to break these resistance levels, at least these initial resistance levels at 68.63. You see we failed there at 68.55. And then had another leg down. Now this overall short-term leg up here. So initially that 50% retracement was kind of in play for potentially bottoming. And we actually went a little further in this most recent leg down and didn't quite nick that 618 retracement. But now I'd say very convincingly the uptrend has resumed. So I didn't do anything. I'm still long in the USO calls. My real line in the sand for a position trade here was that 65.54 low down there. I wouldn't want to see that get taken out. Since not only would that have, invalidated, the short-term bullish wave pattern, but it also would have just been a technical change in trend. It would have been a lower low, which would have broken our series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. If we went below there, we'd have a lower low. So that wouldn't be very good technically for uptrend continuation. But that didn't happen. So still long USO calls. I'm definitely looking for a move above the most recent high at 69.53. Okay. Now once we get above there, I am going to be looking to either take some sort of follow-up action or just close the calls. And haven't decided yet whether I want to just convert to a call spread by selling some 14 strike or maybe 14 and a half strike calls on USO against my 13 calls that I'm long, 13 strike calls, or whether I'll just close the calls and perhaps just wait for another pullback if we get one and do another short-term bullish trade. We'll have to see. But so I thought I'd point that out. And overall, you can still see, even though we did dig a little lower, this overall decline still had all the makings of a corrective decline. It had, choppy, overlapping price action. Certainly wasn't a trending five-wave impulsive-looking decline. And that proved to be correct in identifying that, because now we're trending back up again quite convincingly. So let me just switch it over quickly to the candlestick chart in Thinkorswim. So, the new day is technically started with electronic trading, but as of this most recent close, which was, only a matter of minutes ago at this point, we basically formed almost a bullish hammer. So you had this long lower wick, long lower shadow, if you will, the market rejecting these lower prices, and again, we touched the T-line, never actually closed anywhere near it or below it though. And actually still closed above the 3T line, this teal line here. So still very bullish from that perspective, and actually closed near the highs of that session as well, highs of the day, if you will. So still definitely looking for that move, to, get into that $70 territory or a little higher. So hopefully things are working well for the rest of you out there. Oil's certainly cooperating still with the short-term bullish thesis. All right, Serial Trader signing off.